Let's see another illustration. The work function for cesium is 1.8 electron volt. Light of 5000 angstrom is incident on it. Calculate A. Threshold frequency and threshold wavelength. B. Maximum kinetic energy. Maximum kinetic energy of the emitted electrons. C. Maximum velocity of the emitted electrons. D. If the intensity of the incident light be doubled, then what will be the maximum kinetic energy of the emitted electrons? Planck constant H equal to 6.6 into 10 power minus 34 joule second. Mass of electron M equal to 9.0 into 10 power minus 31 kg. Speed of light C equal to 3 into 10 power 8 meter per second. Let's see the solution for part A. If the work function of a metal is W, then the energy of photons incident on it must be at least W, otherwise photoelectrons will not be emitted. If the threshold frequency of light is nu naught, then the energy of photons will be h nu naught, where h is Planck's constant, so W equal to h nu naught. For cesium, W equal to 1.8 electron volt, but 1 electron volt equal to 1.6 into 10 power minus 19 joule. Therefore, W equal to 1.8 into 1.6 into 10 power minus 19 equal to 2.9 into 10 power minus 19 joule. Therefore, nu naught equal to W upon H equal to 2.9 into 10 power minus 19 divided by 6.6 into 10 power minus 34 equal to 44 into 10 power 14 second inverse. Threshold wavelength lambda naught equal to C upon nu naught equal to 3 into 10 power 8 divided by 4.4 into 10 power 14 equal to 6.8 into 10 power minus 7 meter equal to 6800 angstrom. B. The maximum kinetic energy of the electrons emitted by the light of wavelength 5000 angstrom is given by Ek equal to h nu minus W equal to hc upon W, hc upon lambda minus W equal to 6.6 into 10 power minus 34 into 3 into 10 power 8 upon 5000 into 10 power minus 10 equal to 2.9 minus 2.9 into 10 power minus 19 equal to 4 minus 2.9 multiplied by 10 power minus 19 equal to 1.1 into 10 power minus 19 joule. C. Let the maximum velocity of the emitted electrons be V maximum, then Ek equal to half mV maximum square. Therefore, V maximum equal to under root 2 Ek upon m equal to under root 2 into 1.1 into 10 power minus 19 upon 9 into 10 power minus 31 equal to 5 into 10 power 5 meter per second. D. The kinetic energy of the emitted electrons does not depend upon the intensity of light. Hence, if the intensity of incident light be doubled, the energy will remain unchanged. Let's see another illustration. The work function for the surface of aluminium is 4.2 electron volt. How much potential difference will be required to stop the emission of maximum energy electrons emitted by light of 2000 angstrom wavelength? What will be the wavelength of that incident light for which the stopping potential will be 0? H equal to 6.6 into 10 power minus 34 joule second. C equal to 3 into 10 power 8 meter per second. 1 electron volt equal to 1.6 into 10 power minus 19 joule.